Hi everyone! In this video, we will use the multiplication rule for conditional probabilities. In a hospital, the probability that Sarah works a night shift is 0.4. The probability that John works the night shift, given that Sarah is also working the night shift, is 0.75. What is the probability that both Sarah and John are working the night shift? The first thing we can look at is the probability that Sarah works. And let's call this the probability of Sarah. So we'll do P of S. And we were given that this is 0.4. The second part is the probability that John works. So we're looking for the probability of John working given, so we have our line, that Sarah is also working. And this was given to us as 0.75. Now we're looking for the combined probability that both Sarah and John are working the night shift. We know in previous experience that and is a conjunction meaning multiply. Now we're looking for the probability that both of them are working. So we're looking for the probability of A and B. Although in our case we have Sarah and John. The formula for this is very similar to the multiplication rule for independent probabilities. We have the probability of A given B times the probability of B. We can just simply substitute John and Sarah into this. So we can do the probability of John and Sarah equals the probability of John given Sarah working multiplied to the probability of Sarah working. And we were given all of those numbers at the get-go. So we have the probability of Sarah working is 0.4. The probability of John working, given that Sarah is also working, is 0.75. 0.75 times 0.4 in my calculator is 0.3. So the probability that Sarah and John are both working in the night shift is 0.3, and now we're all done.